In this video, I will show you how you can add subdomain on GoDaddy. So this is really easy to do. You just have to go to your products on GoDaddy, and then we want to find our domain. So we want to choose domain on the left side. And here where it says overview, you want to click on DNS next to overview. Then forwarding. And from here, if you scroll, you have this option subdomains, and you can click on add forwarding. Here you want to add your subdomain. So let's say I want to create support subdomain, and then you just want to paste it here. So you want to type support that and then your domain like this. And then you can choose your forward type. You can choose permanent, temporary, or forward with masking. So I'm gonna go with the permanent, then click save. And this is how you can add your subdomain on GoDaddy. And most DNS updates takes effect within an hour, but it could take up to 48 hours to update globally. So you just have to be patient if it is still not working. So you can try it. I'm gonna copy it and if it's still not working like this, you just have to wait for it to load, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.